said this when I was in Goa, that at this point in my life, all I want is fursat. Being in Goa in the monsoons and having to live that life on the beach, chilling and taking it slow, showed me a version of how that fursat could be like. But actual fursat I can achieve is by being in the mountains. I mean, mountains की peace ही अलग होता है. Mountains तो mountains है. We grow up, life gets busy, and suddenly planning a trip with friends during the holidays seems like a brilliant idea. But is it? अब बात रही कि धनौल्टी पहुंचना कैसे है. सो फर्स्ट रीच देहरादून. देहरादून हैज़ एन एयरपोर्ट, जॉली ग्रांट एयरपोर्ट, अ रेलवे स्टेशन एज वेल एज बस स्टैंड्स. तो आप किसी भी मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से आ सकते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम दिल्ली, यू कैन इवन हैव अ वेरी चिल ड्राइव टू देहरादून. एंड वहाँ से यू कैन आइदर टेक अ शेयर्ड कैब और there are also local buses which ply between Dehradun to Dhanolti, but उनके timings थोड़े fixed हैं. And if you do this journey early morning like we did, you will be blessed with this beautiful sunrise. I knew it would be my first and last sunrise of the trip क्योंकि इतनी जल्दी कौन ही उठेगा ठंडी में. But मेरे को लिटरली घसीट के यहाँ से लेके जाए के, क्योंकि मैं जाने को राजी ही नहीं थी ये व्यू छोड़ के. After that beautiful sunrise, we started heading towards the Nolti, and if you are coming here January ke around, so you will also find snow on the way and also see snow-clad mountains as you enter the Nolti. The Nolti mein you will find multiple stay options from homestays, resorts, hostels, and also some adventure resorts where you will have a lot of activities that you can do if you're coming with your friends or families. The place where we stayed at had this cabin style room, this cute doggo, and also a lot of open area where you can just play or hang out with your friends and do bonfire. Everyone will agree when I say that winter की धूप अलग ही होती है, and अगर आप माउंटेन में हो तो that धूप feels like heaven. And being in a place like the Nolti, which is yet not as commercialized as other places, तो आपको बहुत पीस भी मिलता है. It is not too much crowded and you feel very close to the nature. And for me, that is the perfect vacation plan you can have. I don't remember मैं कितनी देर तक यहाँ पे बैठी थी. The time I had spent around the property just looking at those trees and the valley, but I do remember how it made me feel. I felt so much at peace. It was like my brain was not thinking about anything. It wasn't trying to process anything, look in the future. It was just calm. Hello. So we are here for our Christmas/New Year trip. Not a big fan of traveling during Christmas and New Year time because everything is sold out and there are so many people everywhere, especially on the well-known destinations. And I think आजकल सारी destinations ही बहुत ज़्यादा well-known हो चुकी है. But yet we are here and today we are in the Nolti, and let me show you the view from my room. And God, the peace is immaculate. You just hear the birds and the sound of people cutting the trees and the wind, and that is it. No vehicles, no chit chatter, no noise pollution. ठीक है, इतना ज़्यादा जगह से मेस्मराइज होने के बाद ना घूम कहाँ सकते हैं धनौल्टी में, ये भी देख लेना चाहिए. So let me take you along on a chill evening in the Nolti. So for everyone who loves taking walks, firstly, welcome to the club. I am a killer for a good walk, and walks in the mountains, oh my god, they have to top my list. So सबसे पहली चीज़, हम निकले the Nolti की रोड पे हांडने. So we went out during sunset time and sun was casting this yellow, orange and red hues all around. Everything it was touching, it was turning it into pure gold. Just look at those trees looking so beautiful, even the mountains behind us. It was so mesmerizing. So first plan of action was to walk the area and get a feel of what the place is like, and definitely feed yourself with some fresh mountain ka bhutta. धनौल्टी की मेन मार्केट से कुछ 400-500 मीटर्स दूर ही देर इज़ एन इको पार्क ऑल्सो विच हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़. इट इज़ ओपन फ्रॉम 8 till 5. विंटर्स में थोड़ा टाइमिंग चेंज होता है, बट it is a good place to spend some time and have some fun. The Noltiki market is also very nice, cute and small. It has multiple cafes which you can definitely try out the food, and बहुत सारे ऐसे stalls भी हैं, roadside stalls, जिस पे बहुत ही amazing momos, spring roll and चाउमीन मिलता है, तो don't miss out on those. We visited this cafe जिससे दूर से ऐसे Christmas lights दिख रही थी, and looking at the Christmas lights हम ऐसे खींचे चले आ गए. For the vibes, I would give 10 on 10 points. There were also games to play, but the food wasn't really nice. So we had a good time, clicked pictures, and head back to our place. Raste mein we saw beautiful city lights, and also as the sky was clear, we could see so many stars. We spent so much hours looking at those stars that night. So इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. If you had stayed till the end of the video, thank you so much. I will be sharing another video about all the things we did in the Nolty soon. Till then, see ya. I will only get that in the mountains. I mean, mountains की पीस ही अलग होता है. Oh God. भाई, अभी मैंने बोला था कि बिल्कुल ही पीसफुल है, शोर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, और बिल्कुल इतने सारे गाड़ियों की आवाज़ क्यों आ रही है. और एक्चुअली बहुत दूर से आ रही है, ऐसा नहीं है कि बगल कहीं मतलब सब नीचे कहीं से आ रही है. इट्स लाइक echoing from somewhere.